Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on the Chrome V8 engine. If you are a developer who works with JavaScript, you are probably heard about V8 and it's important in the world of web development. V8 is basically the JavaScript engine developed by Google and it's used in many popular web browsers like Google Chrome, Opera and Microsoft Edge. But V8 is not just a browser engine. It's also a standalone engine that can be embedded into other applications including Node.js. And in this tutorial we will take a closer look at what the V8 engine is and how it works and what makes it so powerful. In the world of programming, one of the most commonly used programming languages is JavaScript. But did you know that the JavaScript code we write cannot be understood by the computer on its own? That's where JavaScript engines come into play. A JavaScript engine is a program that converts the JavaScript code that developers write into machine code that allows a computer to perform specific tasks. JavaScript engines are typically developed by web browser vendors such as Google, Mozilla, and Apple. One of the most popular JavaScript engines is V8, which is an open source engine developed by Google for Chrome. V8 is designed to execute JavaScript code at lightning speed, making it one of the fastest engines available. SpiderMonkey is another well-known JavaScript engine that powers Mozilla Firefox. JavaScript Core is an open source engine developed by Apple for Safari. And Chakra is a JavaScript engine for the original Microsoft Edge. However, the latest version of Edge now uses V8 as its engine. These engines are essential for enabling developers to write JavaScript code that can be executed by a computer. Without them, we would not be able to build the many web applications and services that we rely on today. Have you ever wondered how Node.js can run JavaScript code outside of a web browser? The answer lies in Google's V8 engine, which sits at the core of Node.js. V8 is an open source JavaScript engine developed by Google for their Chrome web browser. It's designed to convert JavaScript code into machine code that can be executed by the computer's CPU by embedding V8 into your own C++ application. You can write C++ code that gets executed when a user writes JavaScript code. So what's the benefit of embedding V8 in a C++ application? Well, it allows you to add new features to JavaScript itself. Since C++ is great for lower language operations like file handling, database connections, and network operations, by embedding V8 into your own C++ program, you can have the power to add all of the functionalities in JavaScript. And that's exactly what Node.js does. It takes the power of V8 and combines it with a set of built-in modules to provide a platform for building scalable, high-performance applications. With Node.js, you can use JavaScript to create web servers, RESTful APIs, real-time chat applications, streaming applications, command line tools, desktop applications, and many more. So next time you use Node.js to build an application, remember that it's all powered by Google's V8 engine. Node.js is built on the Chrome V8 engine developed by Google. This engine provides several advantages when used in Node.js. One of the key benefits is improved performance and scalability. V8 is designed to optimize JavaScript code and compile it into machine code that can be executed quickly and efficiently. Another advantage of using V8 in Node.js is the ability to handle large amounts of data and requests. V8 has a garbage collector that automatically frees up memory as soon as it is no longer needed. This allows Node.js to handle a large number of requests and maintain the performance of the server. In addition to this, using the V8 engine in Node.js can also reduce server-side processing time. Since V8 is designed to optimize JavaScript code, it can execute code faster and more efficiently than other engines. Moreover, using V8 in Node.js is also compatible with existing JavaScript libraries and frameworks. This means developers can use their favorite libraries and frameworks to build powerful and efficient applications using Node.js. Overall, the Chrome V8 engine provides several benefits when used in Node.js, from improved performance and scalability to reduced server-side processing time. It allows developers to build powerful and efficient applications that can handle a large number of requests and data. In summary, JavaScript engines are essential for executing JavaScript code, which is often used for building web applications. In 2008, Google developed its own JavaScript engine called V8, which has since become a popular choice for web developers. One of the key benefits of V8 is that it is written in C++, which allows it to be used independently or embedded into other C++ programs. This means that developers can write their own C++ programs and leverage the power of V8 to execute JavaScript code. Embedding V8 into your own C++ program gives you the ability to add additional features that are available in C++, but not available in JavaScript. This can include lower level operations like file handling, database connections, and network operations. By using V8 in Node.js, developers can take advantage of its high performance and scalability, making it easier to handle large amounts of data and requests. Additionally, V8 compatibility with existing JavaScript libraries and frameworks makes it a popular choice for building web applications. In summary, V8 is a powerful JavaScript engine that allows developers to execute JavaScript code and leverage the benefits of C++ programming. Its flexibility and compatibility makes it a powerful choice for building high-performance web applications. Thank you very much.